Quick tip when you're using layout inside of SketchUp, and today we're talking about layers. Now layers are essentially where we go about adding information so we can turn it off and do as we see fit, or add information so we can turn our annotations off or our room names off, which could make it easier to dimension. Now at the moment you'll see we have this little pencil here next to the plan line work, and I could dimension. And if I dimension with the plan line work ticked, it's going to dimension on plan line work. Let's have a look. You see that? So if I turn my dimensions on, I'd have a bit of a mess. One other quick thing I'm going to show you is how to do multiple dimensions without having to click each face. So at the moment I've clicked 2 edges. Right. Now if I go to here and double click, right, and it will automatically create a string for me. Now at the moment these dimensions are on the wrong layer. I can select them and then I can go right click and I can change, move to layer and choose dimensions, and therefore you'll notice it's now turned off. If I turn them on, my dimensions are now there. I can also go Control Z and undo. Control Z will undo. Alright, hope it helps.